Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create a pivot table in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if I want to create a pivot table of these two columns here, I will select these two columns here and then I will go into this insert tab, and at the start you can see this we have an option of pivot table. Just click on this one and then it will basically select the range. So I have already selected this range here, and then you will click on this new worksheet and then click on OK here, and here you can see that we have successfully created a pivot table. Now you will select your values from the table that you have just copied. So select this one and then this one, and now you can see that we have successfully created a pivot table here. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.